How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. Today we're going to talk about a penny stock, LYRA, and this just came on my radar because of a lot of things I've been seeing, and I'm like, I kind of like can't throw out this opportunity, so I want to give you guys a video for my subscribers that are watching, um, and then for the Discord members, I want to let you guys see what I see here on a live view, active chart, and on a daily time frame here. So, for anyone that doesn't know me and is brand new watching this channel, welcome. What I do is I catch trend reversals. A lot of the stocks are going to look like this. They look horrendous. You can see where the chart they just bleed out, and a lot of people don't see any hope in these things. But this is where you're going to get your massive trend reversals because stocks aren't just going to keep going down, down, down. In time, yes, they can, but there is going to be corrections, and that is what I focus on. And I'm going to show you guys three of the indicators that I use where you can make massive money and be profitable with an over 95% win ratio, because that's what I have, and I've been doing it for 6 years, and this strategy works. Just stick with it. Do the back testing, watch my education videos, join my Discord. I put the link down below in the YouTube comments. All this stuff helps you be a profitable trader. So let's get into the video here. This is exciting because I'm going to show you something, and I really think we can get a nice little rebound here, and I'm going to call this the bounce type of play. So we have three indicators. We have our ATR levels, kind of like Bollinger Bands, but I don't like Bollinger Bands. I like using the KC, which are they use ATR. How much can a stock go before it has corrections? Because that's what I'm all trying to do. It's impossible to get the exact entry, the most exact bottom on a stock. It's just impossible. There's no indicator that'll tell you, but there is a lot of ways to know, are we really close, where the algos will flip it, because we know, an example, this is powerful knowledge, and I know not a lot of people use it this way, but we know price has to touch your EMAs 5, 10, and 20. And those are going to take a shorter amount of time frame depending on the lower ones. EMA 5 will hit faster than EMA 10 and 20. For example, as you can see, this purple band here is my EMA 5. That one has to hit. No matter what, price will hit. But as you know, it goes along with when price goes down. So we want to make sure we're getting it, as close as possible as a precise entry, because we want to make sure there's plenty of room up, so when price does hit it, there's a nice gain. The yellow band, this is your EMA 10. This is where price will correct too, but that's going to take some time, and I'm going to give you guys the mathematics. And then the middle band, this blue, is your EMA 20. We're not going to hit that anytime soon, as that would be a massive gain, right? That's at the $2 range. We're going to let that go down some more. So here's the mathematics behind it. Anything that doesn't hit the EMA 5 within, a week to two is pretty rare. It's extremely long, because you're always getting touches from the EMA 5. Like right in here, as you can see, price moves away from it and then shoots up, right? Same thing with your EMA 10. Price will move away from it and shoots up. When price goes up, it shoots down. So it's the same thing on the reverse side. But we want to look for, it's like right in here, price shoots up to your upper band, shoots down. It can't sustain that because that is a high ATR level. I don't know if this one ever had a buy signal like we're having today. Look at that. Price signal up here, but look when it hits fast. Look at this, 7%, 20% move down. Massive, massive gains. Let's go back into this, because I don't think there is ever in the price history where we are under like this. So we know for a conservative target, we're at 53 cents on the EMA 5. Do I expect it to go right up to 53? It absolutely can. It absolutely can just go right up to 53 cents. But I am more for a conservative 10%, 10 to 20% bounce play is what I think this can do. And here's the big reason why I alerted this in my Discord for all my people to get in. And you can see my exact entries and exits. There's full transparency of an over 95% win ratio. Let me even show you, like right in here. Actually, I'll go over all that later. But basically, what I really like about it is, if you look at the arrow on my screen, if you guys don't have this indicator, it's called a KDJ. It's a stochastic oscillator. It helps you get, really nice bounces in the market, because this indicator will never go to zero. Just, it's one of the most precise ones. I've seen a lot of stochastic oscillators will hit zero, and they'll stay at zero while the price is moving down. I've yet to see this happen. And then we're at 1.16. That is extreme levels of oversold. Price is going to bounce. It has to. It can't sustain that area. I'm telling you. So we're at the candle right here at May 15th. Like I said, I'm not expecting some extraordinary 100% move up. Can we get that? Absolutely can. Because as you can see, our lower band, this green one, is at 92 cents. So we have massive room up to hit that lower band, and we know we're going to hit the EMA 5. We know we're going to hit the EMA 10 and 20. It's just, but we want to make sure we get precise entries because this could take, some time. Anything that don't hit your EMA 10 in 1 month is rare. I'll just be straight up honest. And we're at a week and some change. And here's how we calculate time distance. So right in here, this candle, you can see we're touching the EMA 5 and 10, but not the 20. So this candle right here would have 1 day of time distance only for the EMA 20 because we're not touching EMA 20. And then when we had this big mass move down, this candle right here will be 1 day of time distance from your EMA 5 and 10. And you can see vice versa. Another day, and then another day, another day, another day. So as you can count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 week, 1, 2, 3. We have 1 week and 3 days of not hitting the EMA 5 on this and not hitting the EMA 10 and 20. So we know we got to hit it. We know we have an extremely low K. It's unheard of, a 1.16. That is extremely low. So this is a good entry to look for a position and get a conservative target. Don't be greedy and get massive gains. A 10 to 20%. To some, that is really big, and I love that, and it can compound your account, and we get right next to the next one. I just like how there's just massive room up for safe net that we can get to the lower band, to the EMA 10, and even to the EMA 5, which we're at 53 cents, which is this purple band, and we know it's going to hit that very soon. I suspect 1 to 2 days we hit that EMA 5. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said before, I have a premium Discord of only 20 cents a day or $6 a month. I really strive my best to give you guys transparency because I know this system works. It has an over 95% win ratio. I've been doing this for over 6 years and been developing this and putting, stuff that nobody has been using, like my EMA with time distance, my KDJs, and then the ATR levels, and compiling it all into one thing of how you find trend reversals. Because anyone can find a stock that goes up 100% and try to throw a dart at it and try to get 10%, right? But more often than not, you're going to blow your account when they rug pull it and you lose 50% in a matter of minutes. Anyone can do that. Finding a stock before it runs is hard, and that takes a lot of effort and time to it. And I am going to sell my shares to the people, if, let's just say LYRA is up 30%. I'm selling my shares to you, and you can have fun with that while shorts are going to pile in there. And I'm buying price when it's depressing, when nobody wants it. And that's the trick to trading, guys. Buy low, sell high. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the premium Discord, I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments, and I'll pin it and say join the premium Discord for my alerts, and I'll have a link. And when you click that link down below in the YouTube comments and in my YouTube description, wherever you want to click it, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. There, we have over 2,000, getting close to 3,000 members here, guys. We are growing rapidly. We're growing fast because this strategy works. Do not miss out on a strategy that can make you over 95% win ratio, and I had the facts to prove it. And this is a swing trading strategy, so it's low risk, high reward. You can do whatever you do, go on your job. You can see my exact entries and exits and all that. So when you go on the free chat, what you want to do is head over to the subscriptions tab, hit premium chat. All up in here will unlock all the channels once you subscribe to any of the channels. They are only 20 cents a day or $6 a month, whatever you want to look at it. And it's cheaper if you subscribe on your computer compared to subscribing on your phone, because the phone will charge an iOS fee, and if you do it on computer, you avoid all that and you pay the flat $6 a month. I promise you guys, I will make you profitable. I will do my best. You're going to see me in the chat 24/7. I put my heart and soul in this because when you make money, I make money. And I want you guys to be successful where you can have financial freedom, go on a cruise, trade 24/7, and make this your full time. So what you're going to get if you ask you like, you're gonna get my RTK swing trades on this tab. You get my exact entries and exits. You get a free alert right here. Limit order to buy LYRA at 0.3574. I put that at the end of the bell at 3:44 p.m. because I was really liking it. Started to come down to my price level, so I took it. You get my education videos, how to properly accumulate. You might ask, well, how do I put all my account in once? Heck no. Well, I'm going to show you guys a video on how to properly win these reversals to maintain an over 95% win ratio. And I would have, I'm not going to say, knock on wood, but I would have an over 100% win ratio. But there was one trade I lost in the last 8 months, and I fixed the strategy for that. And use these indicators to be profitable. I have a video how to get your chart to look like this, and you'd be like, oh, so you're not blind in the dark. You see where to take your entries, where to take your price targets and all that. I have a whole video, so don't worry about that. RTK Journal is one of the most important. When I click on this link, you're going to see my open trades. You're going to see my trades that I just took, like DRCT. I opened at May 14th. Closed date on May 15th. 7% win. Bam, bam, and done. 1 day hold. LYRA is the open trade. I have an average of 3.574. You can see that. So you can see also my notes of why I like it. I'll put right here, this is a bounce type of play. It has not touched EMA 5 in 1 week and 3 days, plus a K of 1.20. So you can see exactly my journal here, as there's no transparency. So I recently did create this so people can follow along to make it more transparent and more user-friendly. Like I said, guys, I'm going to make this the best thing because I know it works for me, and I want everyone to join. So if you join, I will make you profitable. And if you like this video, guys, I'm running out of time. Give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about LYRA. What's your average on it? Where do you think it's going to go? Give me your input on it because I'm liking it. I think it's very bullish right here for a nice pump, and I hope to see you guys in the journey with me. But like I said, guys, if you watch this video a week later and it pumps below 34 cents or 30 cents, but it pumped up to 40 cents, I'll most likely be out and gain money. So joining the premium Discord is the best because you get real-time alerts, real-time exits, and fast communication. So I hope to see you guys there, and give the video a like. It does mean a lot to me, and thank you so much.